guys, welcome back to my channel with another video. Here today I'm going to make some chicken fry. Now I've kept it with salt water for half an hour and put 1 tablespoon of
ginger garlic paste.
Now here I'm going to weigh this. Now it's nearly 563, but it's 400 grams minus this.
Okay.
Minus the plate.
Weight of the plate?
Yeah.
Okay. So it is 400 grams chicken.
Yes.
And 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste?
Yes.
Okay. So now what you're going to put in it?
1 tablespoon of curds. 2 tablespoons of curds.
Okay. Okay. So you're marinating it with curds and all. So you're going to put all the masala and then you're going to mix it well.
We're putting 1 teaspoon of coriander powder.
Okay. Now what you'll be doing?
Half a teaspoon of haldi.
Turmeric powder.
Half a teaspoon of haldi.
Okay. You can make it little less also. Make it little less.
I'll be putting half teaspoon garam masala. Now I'll be putting 1 teaspoon of I'll be putting 1 tablespoon of chilli powder. Now I'll be mixing all this together. Now I'll be mixing it. Now I'll be mixing everything now. It is marinated well for 20 minutes. Now I'm going to put the chicken now. Salt water. I'll not put salt in this because it's already marinated in salt for half an hour. Salt water for half an hour.
So you set all the chicken pieces in the grill tray?
Yes.
Okay. So let it cook nicely one side, then you turn it the other side. Once it gets cooked, then what you'll do?
Turn it.
Okay.
10 minutes will become. Now I'm going to turn the chicken.
Smelling amazing.
Chicken, I've taken this. I've put oil, put some cumin seeds, 2 capsicum,
Yes. After that, what else? onions, I guess.
Yes, some onions, and this is two green chillies. This is the side with this
Side dish.
Yes.
Okay, along with chicken. So I guess both are ready.
Yeah. It is. Now I'm going to put the chicken. After 10 minutes, the chicken is also ready.
Wow, the chicken is nicely cooked well. So I can see some tomatoes here. So even you're going to have tomatoes with it.
Yes.
Sliced tomatoes. And what is there in the other dish?
Chapatis. I'm also going to make chapatis. Now I'm going to taste all this and then I'm going to tell you all how it will go. It's yummy.
How's the taste? Masala and all?
Proper.
Cooked well?
Yes.
Okay. So along with paneer, capsicum, onion, chicken with tomatoes and what is there in this dish? So chapatis are going to be made. Good. Enjoying.
Yes.